Korea. See you soon! Currently in this video, ay nasa Korean consul ako dito sa Sydney. So guys, if you're Filipino in Sydney na may temporary visa na minimum 2 years, you can easily apply for a Korean tourist visa. All you need is bank statement na may minimum of $3,000 the past 3 months, and flight itinerary and accommodation, and then yung passport nyo lang, and then passport size photo. Super easy, and then on the spot malalaman nyo kung approved or rejected. Ayun na nga, I'm so excited. Anyways, after 1 hour of train ride, nakauwi na ako at naligo ako kasi super init, and then kinailangan kong bumangon after a quick nap kasi nga may work ako. Ayan yung ginger shot na ginawa sa akin ni Miggy kasi nga super sakitin ako lately. Gumawa rin kami ng green immune booster juice na may celery, kale, cucumber, green apple, and whatsoever. So yun na nga, nag-impake na ako ng baon ko and I'm off to work. First day back ko sa work after 1 week of being sick. Yes, 7 days ako nag-absent sa work kasi nga super may sakit ako. And then pagkabalik ko sa work, nalaman ko na dineploy ako sa ibang ward. But then, isa lang yung pasyente ko buong araw. So, ang saya-saya ko rin. It was such an easy day. Ayun na nga, 1 to 10 p.m. yung shift ko. And then, pauwi na ako. Sinundo ko ni Miggy. Hindi ko na video. Pero, nang McDonald's kami, quarter pounder, large fries, large coke. It's your sign, umorder ka na din. At after nga nun ay naligo na ako. At yung mga inspector kong pusa, inaamoy yung tuwalya ko. Parang hindi sila approved. Ayun lang. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye!